Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XXII. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I let you this time frame thing does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis on several occasions in the past, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's very nice move, there's certainly some updates here that need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line there. Yeah, it still pertains. It's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter because there's confusion with lines all over the place. So I want to just try to keep this as clean as possible. And the first update comes about from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that maybe remember the last video I did, I talked about right around here at 295-ish as that level of resistance, but now that the price is broken up above it, this would be that ideal level of support going forward. I mean, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but yeah, if the price could stay above there, that would certainly be a very nice sign of strength. Taking a step back though, looking at things from a bigger picture perspective, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, that is going to be what the purple line represents. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? The main one in my eyes, going into tomorrow, right up here at about $3.17, give or take. I realize the price did technically get above it, but I think for the most part, we can agree that there was quite a bit of price congestion right around that area. So that'll be the key level going forward. But all in all, at the end of the day, in my opinion, at least breaking levels of resistance, not necessarily the most important priority. Top priority for me is just building higher bases and building those higher lows, because as long as higher bases are being built, then over time, everything else will take care of itself. So very nice move today. It'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.